Microcode Software presents the Ultimate Email Marketing Guide, 2023. Email Marketing, Introduction. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on email marketing. In this video, we'll delve into the world of email marketing and uncover its potential to connect, engage, and drive results. Let's get started. Email Marketing, Basics. At its core, email marketing is a powerful digital strategy that sends targeted emails to a group of recipients. These emails can range from newsletters and promotions to personalized updates designed to achieve specific goals. Building your email list. Your email list is the foundation of email marketing success. Encourage website visitors, social media followers, and customers to subscribe. Remember, quality matters just as much as quantity. Crafting compelling content. Creating engaging content is essential. Craft attention-grabbing subject lines, valuable content, and a clear call to action. Consider segmenting your list to deliver tailored content that resonates with different audience segments. Personalization and segmentation. Personalization enhances the effectiveness of your emails. Divide your audience into segments based on preferences, behaviors, or demographics, and send content that speaks directly to their needs and interests. Automation and workflows. Automation streamlines your email marketing efforts. Set up workflows triggered by specific actions or dates. Automate welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, and nurture sequences to provide a seamless user experience. Analyzing performance. To gauge your email marketing success, monitor key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Use these insights to refine your strategies and improve future campaigns. Best practices and tips. Here are some email marketing best practices. Focus on mobile responsiveness, maintain a consistent sending schedule, A/B test subject lines, and always provide an easy way for recipients to unsubscribe. Remember email marketing. Key points. Email marketing basics. Building your email list. Crafting compelling content. Personalization and segmentation. Automation and workflows. Analyzing performance. Best practices and tips. Email marketing. Conclusion. Congratulations, you've unlocked the world of email marketing. You can foster meaningful connections with your audience by building a strong list, creating engaging content, and leveraging automation. Ready to make your mark? Start implementing these strategies and watch your email marketing efforts soar. Thanks for watching. Microcode Software, one-stop solution. We will update of the next video soon. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. We will bring you new informative videos very soon.